You spend 2 hours assembling a wobbly IKEA table. It's uneven, the instructions are confusing, and honestly, it's not that great. Yet, you feel a sense of pride. You don't want to return it. In fact, you value it more than something professionally made. Why? Because you built it. This is the IKEA effect, an intriguing psychological bias that affects how we perceive value. We believe we judge worth objectively. But once we invest effort into something, like a project or a relationship, we inflate its value irrationally. The outcome? We hold on to mediocre ideas, defend our flawed work, and sometimes overpay, simply because we created them. The IKEA effect was named by Harvard, Yale, and Duke researchers in 2011. They had people assemble IKEA furniture and origami figures, then asked how much they would pay for their creations versus identical items made by others. The result? Participants valued their creations up to 63% higher, regardless of quality. This happens because effort gives us a sense of psychological ownership. It fosters pride, emotional investment, and identity. We don't just create the object, we internalize it. This bias isn't just about furniture. Entrepreneurs cling to failing business ideas. Writers defend incomprehensible drafts. Gamers keep in-game assets they've crafted but never use. Couples remain in relationships because they've invested too much time. The IKEA effect is prevalent wherever effort meets ego. While effort can indicate value, it can also lead us astray. As effort deepens, walking away becomes harder. Think of the sunk cost fallacy. You feel compelled to keep going, even if it's not sensible. You may not maintain your side hustle because it's profitable. You do it because you built it. You might not stick with an app due to positive user feedback. You stay because you coded it. So, what can you do to break free? First, step back and ask yourself if you'd buy this if another person made it. Second, separate effort from outcome. Just because you worked hard doesn't mean it turned out well. Third, embrace the idea of pivoting. Letting go isn't failure, it's clarity. Lastly, redefine success. Sometimes, the real victory is recognizing when to stop building. The IKEA effect teaches us a vital lesson. We don't just appreciate results. We become attached to our efforts, even when they mislead us. Awareness brings freedom. Real mastery isn't just about what you build, it's knowing when to move on. If you've ever clung to something longer than you should have, you're not alone. Join us at InnerEconomics, where we unravel the hidden biases that influence our choices and beliefs. Subscribe to break free from illusions and gain clarity in your life.